What if I told you you're already using artificial intelligence dozens of times every single day? Every search, recommendation, and voice assistant is powered by intelligent algorithms working behind the scenes. Artificial intelligence simply means machines performing tasks that normally require human intelligence. AI doesn't think like humans. It discovers patterns faster than we ever could. This is how AI can recognize faces, objects, and even diseases from medical images. Instead of following fixed rules, machine learning improves by learning from data and experience. Deep learning uses many connected layers, allowing AI to recognize complex patterns. Neural networks were inspired by the way neurons connect inside the human brain. Some AI systems learn from billions of words to understand and generate human language. AI already helps doctors, teachers, engineers, artists, and millions of people every single day.
And this is only the beginning. Artificial intelligence is transforming nearly every industry on Earth.
Despite its impressive abilities, AI doesn't truly think or understand like humans. It predicts patterns using data. As AI becomes more powerful, using it responsibly becomes more important than ever.
The future of AI includes smarter assistants, better healthcare, safer transportation, and discoveries we can't yet imagine. AI is a tool created by people. Its greatest impact depends on how wisely we choose to use it. What part of AI excites you the most? Tell us in the comments below. Subscribe to explore the incredible world of AI, one breakthrough at a time. Your journey is just beginning.